Happy Vlogmas Day 2. I am just getting home from work. As you can see, I'm still like in my work clothes. These are my meal clothes. I am getting ready to eat some food. I just picked up some Buffalo Wild Wings for me and RJ. And I don't know what else. I got a bunch of stuff to do. I need to do some editing. I need to, oh, I'm sorry, I'm shaking. I need to do some editing. I need to pack for a work trip that I have coming up. I got a lot of stuff. I got a lot of stuff to do. But anyway, if you are new here, thank you for being here. Thank you for clicking on this video. I'm glad you decided to join us on this Vlogmas journey. And if you are not new here, you already know who you are. You are a Team Reese VIP, and we appreciate you so much. If you want to be a VIP, all you got to do is click that subscribe button. It's just that easy, y'all. All you got to do is subscribe. So let me show y'all. RJ had a cookie fundraiser, and I want to show y'all how I have Tetrised these cookies into my freezer. Y'all, look at all these cookies. This is all cookie dough. So that's whole tray here is cookie dough. This tray here, cookie dough. More cookie dough on this shelf here. So that one is on top, but there's a bunch of boxes back there behind it too. And cookie dough there. So cookie dough everywhere. Can you at least say thank you to everybody that bought cookie dough from you?
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm gonna say you're welcome because I'm one of the people. So yeah, I gotta get all the Post-it notes and stuff, label all that cookie dough so people know who it belongs to. Since I'll be out of town for work, Ray will have to hand them all out for me. And I need to finish decorating, y'all. I still did not finish decorating yet. Y'all, look at this tree. Look at that sad, lonely tree sitting over there in the corner. Hey, wait a minute. This tree didn't have no lights when I left. Ray put some lights on here. Thank you, Ray. I didn't know he did that. Let me plug it in. Ugh. Oh, I'm old. Okay. Yes. Okay, so Ray at least did put the lights on it. So all I have to do is add the bulbs. And the bulbs are right here. So maybe I'll do that tonight. Maybe I will do that tonight. I want to show y'all too. Y'all ignore all my kitchen. It needs to be cleaned. I know. I want to show y'all too that Ray put some stuff outside as well. So you guys didn't see this in our decorate with me video, but Ray did put some decorations outside. So there is the wreath. I love this wreath. Have this wreath right here, and then if you go out the door, and it's cold out here, y'all. It's super cold. Ooh. Ray put my garland up around the top too. So it keeps getting stuck in the door. Let's see if I can close it. Okay, I can't get it closed. So y'all see, y'all use your imagination. The next thing we gotta do is get some lights on these bushes. Half the lights that we pulled out of the box did not work. So we're gonna have to do that later. This tree is done though, thankfully. I need to unplug those lights. I don't like those blue lights shining on it, but the tree's done. Usually we'll during Christmas time. So these are the lights that we usually have going behind us. There's one there, one over there in the corner. We have those going during our lives because they give off different colored lights. You can change the color on them. But we usually change them to red and green for Christmas so that they kind of shine at the tree. So I might go ahead and do that tonight. Maybe, we'll see. But yeah, that's it. I do have to fix this over here too. So like I put some stuff up here. I need some tape. I need to kind of tape this up around my mirror. Fix that. I need to put a few more things on this table. Y'all like my black Santa? I love him. And I need to I have like, this is a little mini Christmas tree. I have some ornaments to hang on it. I need to do, yeah, little ornaments like this. So oops, I dropped it. I haven't found, yeah, little ornaments like this. I haven't found my my little ornament, the rest of my little ornaments like this yet. So I gotta find those, put those on there, figure out if I need to do anything else to this table, move this lamp out of the way. Like all this stuff is just stuff that we don't use during the Christmas season. So I need to find somewhere to put this lamp. like this fall stuff. This is the lamp that normally sits on that entry table. I need to find somewhere to put that during this season. And I need to finish my table. I put a few things out on the table, and the table is a mess right now, so ignore that. But I did put a few things out. I put my Christmas bottles out, but I usually have stuff like between these bottles too. So lots to be done. We got this Christmas card in the mail from Marsha Tut, one of our amazing subscribers, sent us this Christmas card. I love receiving this. I think this is maybe the first piece of mail that we got from a subscriber. So I am so excited. I cannot wait to put it on the refrigerator. So thank you so much, Marsha, pronounced Marsha. I love it. Thank you so much. We appreciate you so much. Thank you for being such an awesome subscriber. We appreciate you and we love you. Thank you. I'm currently in the premiere for our friends Parkers on the Go, who have their premiere of their first vlog from the Carnival Celebration series. I'm so excited to watch it. I'm here in the chat with everybody, chatting it up, and it's just excited to watch the video. So make sure you check out Parkers on the Go if you have not checked out their channel.
Christmas is my favorite time of year, and Christmas is my favorite time. Christmas is my favorite time of year.
Look who's home now, everybody. Hey.
Hey.
Hey, how you doing?
Hey,
Hey, I missed you.
I missed
Welcome
you
home,
too.
boo.
Hey, how you doing?
Welcome home. How are you? How you doing? I know you missed me. I can see it in your eyes. You really ain't gonna say nothing to the people? You ain't gonna say nothing to the people?
Hey people, how y'all doing?
Do I stink?
No,
What are you doing?
my nose is slightly running.
That's nasty.
And with that, you guys, I am going to call it a night. I am tired. It is late. It's like 1 in the morning. And I have to work in the morning. So, stay tuned. Vlogmas Day 3 will be coming soon. Tomorrow, if you're watching this today. So, you'll see Day 3 tomorrow. So, thank you so much for watching. And we will see you on the next video. Make sure you click that like button, click that subscribe button, and click that notification bell. And until tomorrow, peace.